How to hard reset Nokia C110. Step 1. Firstly, turn off the mobile by using the power key. Step 2. After that, press and hold the volume up plus the power button at the same time. Step 3. The recovery mode is available. Here, use the volume rocker to navigate and the power key to select.